Hi, good morning to all. My name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies. Not only the assistant professor, we are having the professor and associate and assistant professor and a different lab technician. Nothing but a non-teaching posts are also available here in the self-financed private university. So it is a very good university actually. And this university is one of the group of Birla, and the last date to apply this one is the 10th July 2020. So whoever the applicants are there, there will be no written test. The selected candidates will be directly called for the interview, and there is an opportunity for the UG, PG, and the UGC net or the PhD qualified candidates, right? So before going into the complete details and all, one small announcement from my side. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC net 2020 exam, here the UGC net paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, the complete free lessons will be available. That means I am just doing right now. I am keep on uploading. So you may subscribe to this channel, and I am providing this channel link in the description box of this video. So you just once go and check. A few videos are already uploaded there. So if you are interested, then you may follow for your exam. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Sarala Birla University. The website is sbu.ac.in. So after once entering into this website, just scroll down to the end. So here you can see the career at the rate SBU. Click on that one. Then you will be directed to the vacancies whatever are there announced by these universities. You can see here. So here the few important links are there and immediate positions and the detailed notifications. So coming to the immediate positions, you can see here. So applications only through online application portal will be accepted. Any application sent via email or the hard copy will not be accepted. So if you want to apply, here the apply now is there. So if you tap this one, then you will be directed to the online application of this one. You can check here applications are invited from the qualified and experienced individuals for the various positions in the given disciplines. In the leadership positions, Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Applied Sciences, Faculty of Commerce and Management. Academic positions, Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor in Faculty of Engineering and Applied Sciences. That means computers, civil, mechanical, electronics and electrical, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics. And in Faculty of Commerce and Management and in Yoga and Humanities, and in trainers, control of examination, and few lab technicians in this department. So these are all the different vacancies. So please submit your resume online only with your accomplishments and reference on or before 10th July 2020. If you are having any queries regarding the eligibilities or the experiences, any kind of queries, then you may contact this one. And if it is not responding, you may send your query to this mail ID, right? And now coming to the eligibilities, you can click on this detailed notification. Then we will be directed to this Sarla Birla University academic positions detailed notification. Actually, this notification released on 18th June 2020. So you can check down computers. I mean the name of the department and specialization in the engineering and applied sciences are given here, and in the commerce and management is also given. Yoga and humanities and control of examination and trainers and lab technicians. Pay scale is as per the UGC or the ACT norms. While coming to the qualification for the assistant professor for engineering and technology, BE and MTech in the relevant branch. For other programs, good academic records with at least 50% of marks. And now withstanding anything contained in the two above candidates who have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the UGC. That means masters with a UGC net is enough, or else if the UGC net is not conducting to any one of the subjects, then the net SLET or set is not required. But because the point is also mentioned, net SLET or set shall not be required for such master's program in disciplines these exams are not conducting. PhD is the preferred for all the program. So for the assistant professor, they given the PhD is preferred, but it is not the essential thing. So anyhow, the candidates who are having the master's degree with net qualification or the master's degree with 50% of marks, then try to apply. And for the associate and professor, so the PhD is mandatory. There is no discussion at all. and the dean position, controller of examiner position. Coming to the controller, master's degree with at least 50% of marks and 15 years of experience as assistant professor in academic grade pay of 7,000 and 15 years of administrative experience, of which 8 years of deputy registrar. And trainers, coming to the lab technician, diploma or BTech. For language lab, MA in English. For minimum 2 years of experience for BTech passouts and 5 years for the diploma passouts. So the last date is the 10th July 2020 and applicants will be interviewed only. So there is no written test. Applicants will be interviewed only after scrutiny of the relevant documents. So these are all the things. How to apply? So applicants have to fill and submit the online application form available at the career section, as I told you already. So it is a tab, apply now is there. So if you are having the eligibility criteria, then you may apply this one. Here's a lot of things are there to apply: general information, personal qualification, present position, experience, research projects, guided publications, awards or fellowships, specialization, referees, and upload. So all these things are there, so you have to carefully fill up these things. But as per the pay scales wise, so it will provide a very good pay scale because it is one of the Birla Institute, no doubt at all. It is a very good private university, right? So the candidates who wants to apply, just go to the sbu.ac.in and then you will be directed to this university vacant positions. So the candidates who are having the eligibility criteria, please don't miss this opportunity. And for more updates and for more applications, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And if your friends or colleagues are also looking for the same type of opportunities, then please share this video to them. It will be helpful to them also. Thank you.